Okay, this review is on the Dremel Versa Flame. Not Versa Tip, Versa Flame. It's different. This is a stationary butane torch. It means it comes with a stand. You can seat it up. Let's take it out of the box. Got the user manual that's going into trash. Box looks the same as the Versa Tip, but this is the Versa Flame. If you don't want to get them mixed up, you can label it if you got both of them. Just lift the lid off, and look how pretty and new it is. It won't be looking pretty much longer. The Versa Flame comes with virtually the same accessories almost. You got your soldering tip. You got this here that hooks these things on, that you can hook your other extensions on, like if you don't want to put this here, put the blah, 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 like this over here I mean. But you can also use this to put the other extensions on.
What's that?
This is this here is the tool itself, and this here, like I was saying, you screw it on to hold it so it won't fall off, but I'm not going to screw it on. They don't even give you a screwdriver. And then you can also add these tips to it for shrink wrap, things like that.
What is time? Let's see.
And because it is a stationary tool, it comes with this stand here.
Okay, put it up.
And the stand, you put it in like this. That way, when you're making, when you're doing something, maybe you're soldering or something, or cutting for solder with this thing also, and you want to, and you want to use it without having to hold it, so your hands will be free. Then you can use it that way. But this here is, like I said, you can braise with this thing. You can get your brazing rod, heat up your pipe or whatever you're heating up, and put the rod on it, put some whatever on it, so everything will work. But this one is my new one. This one is my old one. The old one still works, but it acted a little funny once or twice, but it's still working good. So I'm not going to put butane in this one right now, because this one still works. I brought this one in the house to show you how to put butane in it and show you how it works if I put something in this one, which I'm not. The butane goes in this one.
Hey, you want to break this portion?
Not yet. This one goes in this one right here on the bottom. Right here, same way. Push down on it. And you know it's full because it will start sputtering like that. See, it'll start coming out. It's almost empty. And then to light this one, push that
closer,
like
you're too far away.
Push this over to the left. Click the button. It comes on. Push this lower button back. And let go. It stays on. The flame control from low to high is here. Low, high, low, high. Now if you want to test your flame, turn this button here, and it goes like that. Turn it back.
I'm not supposed to what? Time to do more balance stuff.
But if I don't want to turn it off, push that button forward. It goes off. But if you want to use this without locking it on, just click it on that. Click it like that and hold it. You can hold it like that. When you let go, it goes off. Because you not hit your button. And also, while it's burning and you've got it locked in the on position, if you want to turn it on, I don't recommend doing this, but you can do it, and I don't recommend it. You can already flick this again while it's on.
Why? What's that?
That's the on button. where you can fit it. And then when you turn it off, you don't have to flick it, it's already on. You just have to hit it. But if you go like that, it puts it back in the off position. I don't recommend doing that.
Why?
You may leak some of your fuel like that. But I'm just showing you that you can. So this is the Dremel Versa Flame. Very good at braising, doing stuff. You can even use this in the kitchen. You can roast marshmallows, make creme brulee. You can do a lot of stuff with this. You can light fires with it outside.
That's all it's do.
Mosquito smoke. There's like mosquito smoke boxes with it. There's a lot you can do with this. You don't have to use it just for the intended purpose. There's a lot you can do with it.
So it's used to burn fire. To burn leaves, I mean.
So this is the
No
Dremel.
fire.
Hey, you think you can
So
find
this
a
is the
potion?
Dremel Versa Flame.
Mommy, which potion
So if you
I
like
can
the
get?
tool-
This one or that?
So if you like the tool,
What potion?
so this is the Dremel Versa Flame. If you like the tool, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, make some comments. If you like the tool, you can get it. It's around $60, I guess. So you can get it, and this thing's lasted forever. And a long time. This Dremel tool's lasted a long time.
That was 3 years old already.
But I do have a Dremel 4000 that's broke on me. That's the first Dremel tool I've ever had any problems with. Well, that and that Versa tip, and I don't know what happened to that one. The striker's messing up in it. If I check that striker on it, it can be fixed. But anyway, this is the Dremel Versa Flame. If you want one, buy it. It's very useful. It will come in handy. And the butane that you put in these things is very cheap. And you get a lot. The butane of these does not burn up fast. It burns up really slow. You get a lot of burn time out of this thing. So that's it for the review for the Versa Flame. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you liked the video. So like, subscribe, and share. Sorry to say that, I'm saying it again. And that has been today's review on the Dremel Versa Flame. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and goodbye.